explain to me the maintenance package that I'm going to get when I buy a Motor Trend certified vehicle or a new Ford? No. Yes. Somebody create value in that for me. It's the 3 years worth of maintenance. What is it? 3 years worth of maintenance doesn't mean a thing to me. Someone break it down for me.
The great thing about the 3-year maintenance is that you don't actually have to spend money for the first 3 years on oil changes and tire rotations. Now, with the way oil technology is now, with a full synthetic or a blended synthetic, you actually change oil every 7,500 miles or 8 months. So you can go a little bit longer than you used to, because back in the day you used to change oil every 3,000 or 5,000 miles. That seemed to come pretty quick, right?
Okay, you're getting a little verbose. Okay. Susanna, what's the maintenance, 3 years worth of maintenance mean to me as a customer?
That you're covered.
Okay. That's not quite verbose enough.
No. Okay.
All right, Danielle?
So the 3 years maintenance basically is letting you know that for every 7,500 miles when you want an oil change, you come to us, we'll take care of that for you. Also, with the tire rotations as well for the next 3 years, we're going to take care of that here.
Oh my gosh. Rui, what does it mean to me as a customer?
Well, you spend around, let's say, 200 on oil changes and 1,000 on tire rotation. Not 1,000.
Okay, you're on the right track here. The numbers aren't quite right, but I like where you're going here. That's what I'm looking for.
Ask him, Roy. How do you spend on oil changes?
How much do you spend on oil changes?
Oil change and tire rotation?
Yes, sir.
75, 80 bucks.
Okay. Well, right there, times 4, that is what? 320.
$320.
Yeah, $320. That's right there. That's your saving. That's coming out of.
So you're gonna keep 320 bucks in my pocket, right?
Yes.
And you're gonna pay for the oil changes for me.
Yes, I will.
Okay. Listen to the words I'm using here. Okay. First of all, only Rui, who's 18 years old, was wise enough to try to quantify the value. Okay, look, free. What's free worth, Elizabeth?
0.
Nothing. Kenzie, it ain't worth nothing. But 320 bucks worth of oil changes and tire rotations. Look, you give me $5, I like you. You give me 320 bucks, I like you a lot. Okay? Quantify it. Anytime you can quantify one of the benefits you're providing your customers, do it. I mean, do people in this market care about money?
Yes.
Yeah, of course they do. When I find the market where they don't, I'm going to move there and sell cars. I can't find that market. Everyone seems to care about money. And don't ever use the term free, because someone's paying for them. Sebastian, the dealership's going to pay for the oil changes, aren't they?
Yes.
Okay. By the way, why are we doing this?
It's a good value.
That's too abstract. Why? Well, a customer says, "Why are you gonna pay for my first full oil changes and tire rotations?" I'd like to know.
You get them to come back.
So you're gonna say to get you to come back? That doesn't cut it.
Save them money.
Look, nobody does anything without an ulterior motive. True or false?
Sure.
Okay, there's an ulterior motive here. What is it?
To utilize our service department.
There you go.
Danielle, we've got a great service department, okay? You don't know that, okay? That's why we're willing to pay you, literally pay you, to use our service department for your first 4 maintenance needs. And the reason we're doing that is we think that we're going to do such a great job that after we've paid you to use our service department, you will be so enamored with the way we do business that you will keep coming back. Isn't that the truth?
Yeah.
Okay, we're not giving away 320 bucks worth of oil changes and tire rotations for the hell of it. We're doing it for good business reasons. Telling the truth is really a good idea. Most of us don't tell the customer the truth because sometimes we don't even know the truth. Okay? Obviously, you four didn't know why we were doing these oil changes. but we're doing it to create more service business.